Okay, so what's going to happen if we are presented with group data and we want to use our calculator to actually check for the mean and the standard deviation. So this is a group data whereby you are given the frequency table as well. This is why it's called group data, because the data are grouped. Okay, all the 10s are grouped together, so there are 3 10s. All the 20s are grouped together, so there are 8 20s. All the 30s are grouped together, so there are 7 30s, so on and so forth. Okay, now we can also use our calculator to check for the mean and the standard deviation. Now what we need to do first is to turn on the frequency table. So how we do that is that we need to set up. So like I mentioned in the previous video, you need the brown shift button to get into the brown color button mode. So you press shift, set up. Okay, we don't see statistics here, so we press down. Once we see statistics, it's 4. Okay, they will ask you frequency on or off. That's asking you whether you want to turn on the frequency table or not. We want to do that, so we on frequency. Okay, it brings us back to the main screen, then we are done. Then we can repeat what we did for the previous video. To key in our variables, we go to mode, statistics, variable. So now you see that you have this extra column of frequency next to your column of X values. Okay, so you can key in the same as what you see in this table. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, so at your frequency column, you can key in the frequency 3, 8, 7, 3, and 3. Okay, so same thing, once you're done, press on to go back to the main screen. Shift, stats, okay, variable, your mean X bar will be 27.916. Okay, or you can put it into a fraction. If you want to put it into a fraction, you can press shift. In proper fraction, it will look like this because the calculator is in the statistics mode. Okay, if you put it into the computation mode, it will look like 27 whole 11 over 12. Okay, but you roughly know what it means. Okay, so if you want to look for standard deviation, shift, stat again, variable, sigma x. Okay, standard deviation is 11.895. Okay, if you can't put it into a fraction, you can just leave it into 5 sig fig first, then round off to 3 sig fig. Okay, that's all.